Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy process to reset your Netgear EX6120 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're dealing with connectivity issues, changing your network, or just need to start fresh, this step-by-step guide will help you restore your extender to factory settings in just a few minutes. Stay tuned, and let's get your Wi-Fi back up and running smoothly. So now we will discuss why it is necessary to reset the Netgear EX6120 extender. Resetting the Netgear EX6120 Wi-Fi range extender is important for resolving various issues. Over time, the device may encounter connectivity problems, such as slow speeds or dropped connections, and a reset can clear any temporary glitches. It's also necessary when you want to restore factory settings, especially if custom configurations are causing problems. So let's start the reset process. First of all, find the reset button. The reset button is usually found on the side or bottom of the device. It's a small pinhole. Now use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the power LED blinks amber. Once the LED blinks, release the button. The extender will reboot and return to factory default settings. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.